Make it, 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 make it. Mic check, mic check, mic check, 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 check. What is going on, people? What is popping? Welcome back to the market. Hope you guys are all doing well. If you guys can hear me clearly coming in through the airways, not the airwise, give me a quick thumbs up. And let's get the show on the road, people. Happy Tuesday, happy Thursday. My apologies. Let's get into it. Oh. Uh-oh. 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 Let's get into it. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Okay. Let's cover this bad boy. SNDK. Let's talk about it. We got any news this morning coming here from SNDK? Actually, you know what? First things first. Let's kick things off here. Those of you guys who have not yet, do me a favor, guys, and of course, smash the heck out of that like button. I know yesterday we had around 30-40 likes out the jump, and today we got back to 18 likes again. All right, so we're gonna need to take this 20 likes. We're gonna need to double it to 40. Let's just put a quick little times 2 double down on that. Well, pat. Thank you very much. Those of you guys who already did, appreciate that. Second thing second, we're start with the SPY, and then I want to go over some setups that we've been absolutely killing it with in the Discord, and show you guys what we might be looking at for some potential breakout type moves here that aren't as popular right now on social media. Okay, for one, the SPY is up right now, looking to try to close that gap back up towards roughly 690. We do have Friday's day low at 690.10. That's the next level up there for the SPY to see if we can get that gap fill. For the Qs, it already did fill the gap yesterday, so I guess the next level up here, daily level, would roughly be back up towards 623. The Qs are also up 0.8%. The SPY's up 0.5%. ARC up a decent amount. IWM up a decent amount. Bitcoin not really doing anything right now besides going down. Like Bitcoin kind of went the exact inverse direction here. Not really according to plan. This is not doing exactly what we thought it was going to do. But now that we got all that covered, guys, let's just chat about something here real quick. LMND currently up 3.4% today, looking to break back over previous week highs. Yesterday there was news that dropped, and I'll see if I can pull it up here on my X, my Twitter account. Okay, so yesterday there was news that dropped, right? Elon Musk retweeted it as well. And what he retweeted was, oh, actually, one second here, guys. Did we got the 37. We need 3 more people to smash that like button. Appreciate that. Thank you guys very much. I can't see exactly if and when we're going to get there, but that's okay. Now back on the stream. He retweeted a tweet that was amazing. News came out that insurer Lemonade announced that it will offer a 50% rate cut for drivers of Tesla vehicles when FSD is steering it because it had data showing it reduced accidents. Okay, so to me, this is huge for a few different reasons. One is, it's big because the money that you could save if your insurance decided they were going to charge you half price is insane. If you don't mind, chat, do me a quick favor here, guys. How much money do you guys spend on insurance for your cars, plural, per month? If you don't mind, put a ballpark figure in chat. Just a ballpark figure of, if it's 100 a month, if it's 50 a month, if it's 150, if it's 200. Give me an idea of what people are paying for their insurance on a monthly basis. I'm going to continue here while this is going on. So what happened is it will allow people who do buy Teslas with the tech to save money on insurance in perpetuity, right? So this is not just saving money for now. This is saving money for the rest of time, right? At least that's the game plan that we're seeing right now, which means it would be much cheaper to own a Tesla based off of the fact that insurance is going to be saving you money. Okay. Now, this is good for Lemonade because they could have a significant increase in customers. Although I think they're only live in like 7 to 10 states, so they still need to grow a lot. But I think they will have the opportunity to grow a lot once given the opportunity to obtain more customers, that they can kind of grow from the ground up. Huge for Tesla, huge for Lemonade. Lemonade had a great earnings last quarter, right? And I made a whole video on Lemonade. Nobody watched it because it was a stock that no one wanted to talk about. But I made a whole video on Lemonade and how it basically didn't move. The last earnings, it got to 79.33. Yesterday, it opened at 79 bucks. It basically did not move in 3 months. And now we're looking at highs. If it does crack up any higher than this in the pre-market, we're going to be looking at highs we have not seen since August 2021. And if it does break over roughly 94 bucks, the next level up, guys, is 115, right? So this has been an absolutely amazing trade for people who are in Discord. Of course, we had an early step on Lemonade. Let me just show you guys how early this was on Lemonade. On January 15th, I put out this post on X saying, you know what they call this? Because usually you call old cars lemons, right? Now to the point where it is 11 days later, and Lemonade is finally starting to see a move here. But we were able to get ourselves in position very early. Very early. So for those of you guys out there who are on live chat with us, guys, link in the description below. Free trial to come in and get all that information as early as possible before Elon Musk tweets it out. Put it that way. Next up on the list, APLD. Already up and stuck. What I'm looking at for APLD, I want to see basically a cup-like structure here. Very simplistic, right? I want to see a cup-like structure here. Very similar to what we saw all the way back here on September 29th to October 1st. I just want to see it move back up towards 39.51, and that's it, right? I want to see this thing cup around and move. We've already had a few decent moves here, but this move to me hasn't really started yet. It's just brewing. And this is a lot more like a flag than I think people realized. Right? Like this is a lot more like a flag than I think people are prepared to kind of accept here. It's looking good. And what I want to see is a breakout back up, very similar to what we saw back here, which is a move that we saw. Let me get rid of this. How much of a break did we see here? We saw 55% over 9 days, right? These are some of the moves here. Okay, so let's go back to what you guys are saying in chat for what you guys pay for insurance. In chat, you guys are saying you guys pay $330, $267, 3 cars, $300. I paid $250 a month for 2 car drivers in the 40s. Okay. 120 full coverage on a 4x4, 183 cars full coverage, 150 for my Raptor, 400. Okay, so let's just say let's say an average of 100 per car. Okay. So let's just say moving forward, per car, you're going to save yourself $50 a month, which means per Tesla, you're going to save yourself $600 per year off of insurance. So for the length of time that you may have a car for, whether it's 5 to 10 years, you may save yourself $5,000, or let's say $2,500 for $5,000, or $3,000 to $6,000. It's like, that's how much money you'd save yourself off of insurance for a car that may cost you $30,000, $40,000. right? So it's when you start thinking about these things, it's like you're getting back. You're gonna own a car that's basically 10 to 20% less expensive over the long run than the competition, simply because of the tech of the car itself, which just adds value to the insurance broker, also to the stock of the insurance broker, also to our trade thesis. Case and cool. And all of this is made very clear on the Bay Street Bulls X account, where there was a thread posted on how important that news was. I will copy that link and post it in chat. You guys can see it if you want to. All right. Lemonade up 4% and getting ready to freaking move, people. Getting ready to move, getting ready to move. Love that. Oh. All right. So I also heard today that it is a birthday of one of our members here. I heard through the grapevine that Semper Gumpy's birthday today. So if you guys don't mind, just wish Semper Gumpy a happy birthday. For those of you guys who know who that is, great. For those of you guys who don't, happy birthday still goes a long way. We always do wish the best, even for our, our Wyckoff members that can be a little bit edgy sometimes. Is it too late to get into LMD? So happy birthday. Hopefully you get yourself an absolutely amazing day today. I don't think it's too early to get into LMND, but what I do want to say is this is a cocktail, right? You want to be very careful. You just want to make sure that your risk size is 0. If you're trading options on this name, that's just the way it should be. That's just the way it should be. Right now, it's kind of gapping up over all the recent price action. So it's going to be looking at 2022 highs, 2021 highs very soon. Right? So you just got to keep that part in mind. Let's see. There we go. All right. LI gapped up. Another name on our list, up 3.6%. I like that. I like that a lot. I gotta go figure out. Where that's gonna fit into our schedule here. Twitch, I got you guys some points, of course. You guys still have spots? Yes, we do still have spots in the Discord, guys. Link in the description below. We're doing a free trial right now because the market is so hot. It's easy to show examples, but the market is not as hot and stagnant. I don't really do the free trials as often, just because people jump in and they're like ready to go, ready to trade. But if the setups aren't there, it's not really worth it, right? You kind of just want people to take their time and relax and really, learn first, jump in second. And right now, when people do jump in, they can see, like, they're learning fast because there's just so many more examples. Questions are coming through there. It's a much easier environment to show people, okay, here's an example of how to trade earnings. Here's an example of how to have a swing, share trades, option trade. Like, everything right now is clicking. Okay. But I want to get back to the Lee Whatever names you guys are looking at, guys, drop them in the chat. We'll start pulling them up bit by bit here. Yeah, okay. So we have that here. At the time, it was trading at 1693. Okay, so it's basically still there. Okay. So we're going to pull this up on the weekly. So this is Lee right now. The macro chart all the way back from 2021 is down by a key level of demand. I think it's worthwhile watching. Let's see what you guys got. MU did hit new all-time highs, up 1.63%. So MU's up. SNDK is also seeing a push here to new all-time highs as well. Yeah, this looks amazing. Earnings next week for SNDK. It's gonna be an interesting one. BBAI. I think BBAI is still consolidating, so nothing here for me yet. It almost lost the floor yesterday. Wow, this thing came down to the actual risk level yesterday. Oh my goodness. The risk level that okay. Once BBAI has a daily candle close above 718 or below 530, that'll kind of pick the direction that I think the stock's going to trend for the next God knows how long. Came back to risk support pretty close yesterday, but it finished back inside the consolidation pattern. I'm looking for a daily candle close above 718 before I go long here. I'm just waiting because right now it's been consolidating for a long period of time, but really it's been consolidating here for about, 47, sorry, not 47. It's been consolidating here for over 80 days, right? It was trading at $6.26 at the close on November 3rd. Yesterday at the high, it was $6.05. Like this, it just hasn't really moved much. But after this much consolidation, we're going to see something, in my opinion. Something worthwhile watching. Let's see what else you guys got. INTC. INTC looking good. Looking very good. Much better than the last breakout. Last breakout I traded with calls. This one I had calls, sold them, and just ripped afterwards anyways. But nonetheless, looks great here. Seeing highs we have not seen since 2022. Next level up roughly 56.19. Looking solid. HYMC. Interesting. You know what's funny about HYMC is that I told you guys I'm selling covered calls. I'm going to be exiting my position. I put it in the video. I put it on X. Just making it very clear. I'm going to be easing my way out. I had a lot of people asking me questions when I said that on a 23% day that it's time for me to get out soon. The next day, we see an 8% pullback. No one says anything to me. Listen, guys, there's going to be days where this probably goes higher. And then people are going to say you shouldn't have sold. And there's going to be days where this goes lower. And then people aren't going to say anything. At the end of the day, just make sure you're doing what is right for your account. Just make sure you're doing what is right for your portfolio. To me, this can still go higher. And I'm not trying to time it. But out of everything that we've learned over the past 5-6 years, if a stock rips up 1,000% and I don't take some profit, it's on me. You know what I mean? You gotta be able to know, okay, you know what? 1,000, I haven't trimmed at all. I haven't trimmed, touched, adjusted, nothing. I let this thing cook. Now it's time to let this thing cook in cash. Zena. Up a decent amount here. Not sure exactly why it's up 4%, but not bad. I just don't know if this stock is liquid. Is it liquid? Looks like it is. Okay. Interesting. It's up a lot, though. Yeah, it's up a lot to the point where I probably wouldn't chase it up here. I'd probably wait for a pullback, at least back down towards 468. But I want to be trading stocks that are much more liquid. Like I want the volume in those names to be high. USAR. Let me see here. Did you see Netflix? Yeah, chilling. I thought something bad happened. Netflix is right at the support level that I wanted. So I really wanted Netflix to kind of be here. At roughly 85. Where did Netflix's daily candle close? So Netflix's daily candle almost closed exactly where I wanted to see it. I need to see this gap close though. Like I need to see Netflix back up above $87 today, or this week at least, before tomorrow. That's what I want to see. Right? After that, I think we can see a great recovery there. Tech to me looks a little bit sketchy up here. I may trade this back down. All right, so I guess the way that I'd look at this is break above 55, and obviously you have this absolutely amazing setup here that's been brewing. But the last few times you come in this range here, you've had some pretty harsh rejections. Anything below day lows, and I would be short. Anything above these highs, I make sure I only be looking long. DJT stock. DJT stock to me actually doesn't look that bad right now, to be fair. It looks like it's consolidating a decent amount. I would keep an eye on this. Yeah, I keep an eye on this right now. I think it's worthwhile watching, personally. I think this is definitely worthwhile watching. As long as it can hold up roughly above this $12, $13 range, I think it's worthwhile keeping an eye on for sure. Yeah, I think so. SLV. Silver pushing up here as well, guys. But yeah, by the end of Q1, I'll probably end up taking a short here eventually. The time's gotta come. Soon. Not too soon, but soon. Tesla looking good. GameStop up. Ryan Cohen, guys, buying more shares again. It's interesting. I was looking at Baba yesterday to see where Ryan Cohen bought Baba. And he bought Baba back here. February 20th. So Baba did see, after Ryan Cohen's news came out, a 24% drawdown. It also saw a 51% upside, right? So, you know, hey, Ryan Cohen bought GameStop twice. let's just say we see a 21% drawdown, which means we can see gains come back down towards 17 bucks. And if we see a 50% upside, we see gains going back up towards 32 bucks. Just, something to think about. Something to think about. Looking at both sides of the coin, as always. INTC earnings after hours, that's going to be huge. That's going to be huge, especially for a lot of these semi names. That's going to be what we talk about when the market is closed. All right. But ladies and gentlemen, ladies, guys, we're going to leave things there for now. Thank you guys very much for jumping in this morning. Hope you guys had yourselves an absolutely amazing day today. Those of you guys who want to live trade with us, we will be live trading in the next few minutes. Link in the description, guys, for jumping for a free trial. The team has been on fire, and we will continue to be on fire today, as a lot of our names that we're looking at are currently opening up to some pretty decent levels here. Okay. Moscow, we appreciate it as always. Also, Twitch, we added points once already. We're at points again. You guys have yourselves an amazing day as well. Catch you guys for the afternoon market breakdown. Much love, guys. Deuces.